In an election, there were 20,000 voters and 3 candidates, X, Y, and Z. If X and Y got 35% and 40% of the votes respectively, then Z got how many votes? To solve this question, let's figure out the percentage of voters that voted for candidate Z. If we were to add together all of the votes from candidate X, Y, and Z, we would have 100% of our voters, all 20,000 of our voters. We know that candidate X got 35% of the voters. We know that candidate Y got 40% of the voters, but we don't know what percentage Z got. So we can solve this equation to figure that out. 35 plus 40 will give us 75%, plus Z is equal to 100%. Then we can do opposite operations and isolate Z. Subtract 75 from both sides, and we will get Z equals 25%. So 25% of our 20,000 voters voted for candidate Z. So to find the number of votes that candidate Z got, we need to take 25% of 20,000. We can convert 25% to a fraction. Of is a word in math that means to multiply, and then leave 20,000 as is. We could put it over a denominator of 1, just so that we can see where we're multiplying here. But before we multiply straight across in our numerators and denominators, we can factor out a greatest common factor of 100, cross out 2 zeros, and be left with 200 times 25 over 1. When we're multiplying these two numbers together, we don't need to stack them up like this. We can just multiply 25 to 2 and get 50, and then add on the 2 zeros, giving us 5,000, making A our correct answer.